Yeah. Mr. Nokatko. The message singer. Forces. 2000 bedtime. The wolf is howling. With the proper energy, Black Hawk down. You stand enemy. The biggest rock star of the world. No amateur foes. Protest. Guitars blast out the projects. You hear the wind in the halls. Shine my legs with armor on. Cover my face with menthol. Ice on the rocks with rubbing alcohol. I'm Black Hawk, East South of y'all. All this time I've been doubting y'all. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter.
With fear extinction, my source is hallucinogenic. When the flow is drunk, any machine I adjust. That's right, size to get in. We're working, you know it's art. I rock the biggest problem. Marsh pit in the park with overheated truck, kicking over overheated funk. Pedestrians when they face sticking out like the mountains. Girls with stilettos on, blonde wigs and pumps. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. Y'all just enter. Carriage and horse, chauffeur, cattle call. On the velvet sofa. Celeste talking to Oprah. Stead ain't no player. I make a doper. Blow breast down from the chest down. Tap her from the side. She drop her dress down. The wolf's hand. No shaving cream. Got me looking like the wolf man. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter. The big adventure. Summer to the winter.
Gets out of bed is accustomed to having the problems of the world upon his massive shoulders, whether asleep or awake. For this man, opening the window in his pajamas is secretly the mighty He needs help.
Bigger than rock ever was, the overnight sensation with Ella Fitzgerald, Mahalia and Jackson. At the Cotton Club, the limos coming up to Harlem. USA, the black tie affair. Diana Ross and the Supremes. Patti LaBelle was there, only 18 in the Ford. The Rudy Baker with Elliot Ness from the Untouchables. I remember that. I had the custom pinstripe suit. Me and Frank Sinatra wore green in the crowd. Everybody couldn't cope. That's right. The U.S. Army, America's #1 night, CBS television. The cameras on me and Bob Hope. The beige cashmere, the top poet in the country, shaking hands with the Pope. Yeah, it's an overview, chastizer, mind tantalizer, sun beaming down on the visor. The overview, chastizer, mind tantalizer, sun beaming down on the visor. The overview. The most energetic, the popular extravaganza, the parade at Wrigley Field with Lyndon B. Johnson. Based on the true story, the small cable networks couldn't cover such a huge territory. Way before the Hamptons and Eric Clapton. Kool Herc was 11 years old in Jamaica. Howard Cosell was a baby Chaco, wasn't even rapping, only me and Eisenhower. Before the wheels was invented, the first guy to create electrical power. Y'all was in the Boy Scout camp with an oil lamp. Way before the tennis classics, models in the runways. 21 trucks, me, the original black lady from Star Trek, watching Evel Knievel land on the ramp. It gets no bigger than this, the lifestyle ridiculous.